Hi guys, I thought I'd film me 3 marklins for the next video. Get them all running at the same time, hopefully. Come back in a minute when the burner's lit. And we've got some steam up. Nearly ready to go. Starting to lose the light a bit now, so I'll have to do some more filming in the workshop. Right, they're running. Fortunately this one's sight glass decided to start leaking. It's typical, I'll have to sort that out. I'll turn that one off. It is running. Going to run out of water pretty soon now, I expect, so get the burner out of there. Sort that one out at a later date. We'll quite happily chugging it later. Right, let's get another couple of engines going.